here is a mess, you see guys. Here is a mess and here is a mess. The entire front bracket is broken. Hello guys and welcome back on my channel. In this episode I will be fixing this bad boy up. So this is my new project for 2024. It is a BMW S1000RR. This motorcycle I will be fixing after this one. Also guys, I was restoring such a motorcycle, but look, someone did a copy racer mod on this BMW. This is K100 or K75, I don't know. Here was my next project, but I didn't record this also, sorry guys. No time guys, really sorry guys. It's been a while, but I didn't have time. So, enough talking and start working on this bad boy. As you can see, the damage is here, strange. Here, fuel tank, here, the footrest is a little bit bent. Here is a damage, so it should be a quick fix. So I will disassemble the fairings. Also, here is a mess, you see guys. Here is a mess and here is a mess. The entire front bracket is broken. Lucky for me, the digital gauge is in one piece. So now I will disassemble the entire motorcycle. I will take the fairings off. I will see what I need to buy, what is for painting purpose. It should be nice and pleasant job. So let's start working on this bad boy. Yoo-hoo, guys, yoo-hoo! Okay guys, so to unscrew the front fairings, we have to unscrew, here. So here are two bolts and two bolts should be here, but there is no bolts here. Someone was here, or after accident something happened. Okay, never mind. Okay, so I will take those two bolts and the entire firing will be free. So something holding. One bolt here. Long story short, I will do the same on the other side. So guys, as you can see, I was able to unscrew the bottom fairings. Now I need to disassemble the front fairing. I don't know how to do it. I need to find the clips or something. And guys, in a moment I will show you the final result. So guys, two bolts hold this entire fairing to the bracket here. And now there is a small bolt under the headlamp unit. And I think I have to do it one hand, but I will try to do it. Okay, got it. And turn signal wire. It's holding me back. And done. Firing disassembled. Okay guys, so it is time for the headlamp. So I will unscrew it here. Here. I will put you guys on the stand because I need two hands. Here is a plug. On my finger. Okay, so it's unplugged. And unfortunately the headlamp is broken. You see guys? The headlamp split. Not good. And as you can see, guys, the lamp is damaged here. Maybe I will think something. This is a plastic part. Maybe I will able to fix it. Or maybe this part I can order in dealership. So I will ask them, because I need to order few parts. So I will ask them about this headlamp bracket. Okay, so now this bracket needs to go away, and basically the entire front is disassembled. Okay guys, so I will try to unscrew the front bracket using I don't have the suspension blocked the way. I need to take the different wrench. Let's try this one. Okay, but need to change the tool. Okay guys, let's do it. It's not holding tight. So guys, give me a sec for bolts. So guys, the right side is done. Now the left side. I am able to do it with one hand. Okay, here. And the last one is here. So guys, I need to use two hands, so give me a sec. Okay, the last one is released, and now I should be able to take this entire bracket away. Okay, and the wires. Guys, this is almost everything live. Okay, oh, I think it is magnesium. This will be not cheap. It is magnesium, I think. Very light. Maybe aluminum, but I don't have the missing parts, so I cannot weld it. In a moment I was thinking, you know, maybe I will fix this bracket, but unfortunately this thing cannot be repaired. So my dear followers, as you can see, the entire front is disassembled. Of course I will do a few things off the camera, because everything is not worth recording. Because you guys, you don't watch my movies. Please watch 4 or 5 minutes. Go somewhere, do coffee, do tea, and watch my movies, and the YouTube will promote my videos. So in this way you can support my channel, and my channel should grow, and I should be able to buy next bikes and record them for you guys. Now I need to unscrew the fuel tank, because as you can see here is damage. So fuel tank is for sure I need to paint the fuel tank, and also something happened here. So the passenger seat, I need to replace the passenger seat, and some plastic are missing here. Oh, here is some damage. So I need to also disassemble the entire rear. In order to unscrew the fuel tank, we need to unscrew also the seat. So guys, as you can see, the entire rear just dropped to the ground, but I was able to unscrew it. I don't see any damage here, so that's fine. I am very happy. The bracket, everything is in one shape. Alrighty guys, so as you can see, almost the entire motorcycle is disassembled. One thing left in today's episode, I will unscrew the fuel tank, and in order to do that we need 13 millimeters wrench. Here is one nut. Okay. Second one is on the other side. And we need also 10 millimeters wrench. Here is 10. For sure I need to unplug the fuel pump and some kind of electric grounds maybe. So I will do this now. So guys, as you can see in this episode, I was able to unscrew almost everything needed to further repair. As you can see, the fuel tank is here, the frame with the engine left and suspension. What's worrying me, there is no water here. I will show you guys. There is no water here. Dry. This is dry, so I didn't launch the motorcycle, I don't know. This is always a gamble. I don't know if the engine is okay or not. Strange that there is no water. But maybe in the accident some water, was leaking somewhere. I don't know how long the motorcycle was, on the damaged side. In this case, right side, so maybe the water. In the pressure in the engine is pressure, and maybe some water was leaking. That's my hope. Okay guys, so this will be it in today's episode. On the next episode I will be preparing for paint needed parts. Okay guys, so thank you for watching and see you all to the next time. Bye.